If you want to know how to run Inkscape for the first time, how to get to the welcome screen, and how to customize the setup the right way, this guide will walk you through it step by step. I'll also show you a couple of quick tips to make Inkscape easier to open next time. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded Inkscape from the official project website. That's always the safest place to get the software because it helps you avoid outdated or modified versions from other sites. Once Inkscape is installed, the easiest way to launch it is to look for the shortcut on your desktop. If you see the icon there, just double click it and the program should open right away. If you do not see a desktop shortcut, don't worry, just click the start button on your computer and type Inkscape into the search bar. As soon as the app appears in the search results, click it to launch the software. This is a quick way to open the program anytime you can't find the icon on your desktop. Now, if you want faster access in the future, you can pin Inkscape so it is always easier to open. To do that, right-click the Inkscape icon either in the search results or on the taskbar. Then choose Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start. Pinning it is a great little time saver, especially if you plan to use Inkscape often for drawing, editing, or design work. Once Inkscape launches, you will see the welcome screen. This is the first screen that appears when you open the app, and it gives you a few setup options before you start working. From here, you can choose your canvas size, adjust your keyboard shortcut mapping, and set up the program in a way that feels comfortable for you. To continue, click Save and then click Thanks. After that, you will be taken to the New Document screen. This is where your actual workspace begins, and from there you can start a new project with the settings you selected. Now let's talk about how to customize the welcome screen setup. On the welcome screen, you will notice a few different tabs that help you personalize your Inkscape experience. Start with the Quick Setup tab. In this section, you can use the Canvas dropdown to choose your workspace appearance. For example, you might prefer a dark theme if you like a darker interface, or a checkered background if you want a more visual drawing area. Next, look at the keyboard dropdown. This is where you choose your shortcut preferences. If you are a beginner, the default mapping is usually the best option because it keeps everything familiar and easy to learn. Later on, if you become more comfortable with the software, you can always return and explore other shortcut layouts. There is also a Supported by You tab. This section is a reminder that Inkscape is a community-supported project. If you click links to check for updates or install new extensions through your browser, it is a good idea to remember the developers and support the project if you can. Even a small contribution helps keep the software improving over time. Another useful section is the Time to Draw tab. Here, you can choose from several templates depending on the kind of project you want to create. If you're working with standard paper sizes, select Print. If you want dimensions that are better suited for browser use, choose Screen. And if you are making content for social platforms, use Social for specific video and image platform headers. This makes it much easier to begin with the right format instead of adjusting everything manually later. So, to recap, launching Inkscape is simple. Open it from your desktop shortcut or search for it in the Start menu. If you want quicker access, pin it to the taskbar or Start menu. Then use the welcome screen to choose your canvas, keyboard layout, and template setup before moving into your new document. That's it for this tutorial on how to run Inkscape and customize the welcome screen setup. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Inkscape tutorials and beginner-friendly software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.